Well, hello, I'm Wendy at the Broken Needle Quilt Shop in Bunn, North Carolina, and today I'm going to show you how we quilt our quilts using the Janome QMP 20. So let's get started. I picked out a purple wide back for my backing and temporarily laid it across the frame. Over here I've done the same with the panel. Today we'll be using the Pro Stitcher. My backing is wrong side up and flipped over the frame, and now we need to find the center of the backing and place it on the leader with the mark that I made here. I'm going to start pinning in the center and work my way to the left, and then I'll come back to the center and work my way out to the right. Make sure your last pin is going in the opposite direction so you don't poke yourself. Now we're cranking the belly bar with the backing flipped over the backing bar, and we'll smooth it out as we go. Just as we did on the front side, we have a mark here that we will center the backing to. Make sure to come under the idler here. Now the back is all pinned on the backing bar. Now the backing is on the frame and we need to add batting. Next we need to add bungees to both sides for added support. Now we need to set the QMP 20 into basting mode so that we can baste the batting to the backing. And set the channel lock to horizontal. Pull up the bobbin thread and baste. I have a center mark here on the leader, and I need to align the quilt top with the center. I also need to align the top of the quilt with these basting stitches. Bring up the bobbin thread and baste. Using the Pro Stitcher, we need to set the area. Select our design and fill. And away we go. Quick and simple. As you can see, we've quilted the quilt and one of our spiders landed directly on the moon. How cool is that? Look at the back. Spider webs and spiders. So, as usual, ta-da! Quilting complete.